smooth, tender touch of butters, which left you ecstatic? What if style and substance came together and left you spellbound? What if you felt this in every touch? What if you felt this now? What if you felt the breeze? Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you a revolutionary razor, the shaving solution for the modern Indian woman, with built-in shave gel bars, Gillette Venus Breeze, with our beautiful brand ambassador, Deepika Padukone.
She's got it. I mean, all right, who better to be the face of Gillette Venus than a woman who is so beautiful and who has the most fantastic legs? I have been looking at your legs from there, and you are wow.
Thank you.
How do you look like this? How do you always look this way? First up, I need to know. You know, when people ask this question, what is your beauty secret? No, what is your regime? What do you do to look the way you do?
Well, first of all, hi everyone. I think it's a combination of a lot of things, you know. I think when we talk about skin, when we talk about skincare, when we talk about regime, yes, it's important to take care of our skin, but I think the lifestyle that we lead is also extremely important. So for me, the food I eat, my regular exercise, sleeping adequately, water, I think all of these things are also very, very important. And then, of course, to be, you know, to have brands like Gillette Venus that give you that faith and confidence that you can go out there
Look your best.
and look your best and feel your best. So I think it's a combination of everything.
So, Gillette Venus and you, how did this fantastic and very appropriate association come about?
It's been a couple of years now. It's been more than a couple of years actually, and I've always believed that brands are an extension of my personality. So whenever you see me endorse a brand, it's because there is a brand philosophy that I identify with or that I believe in that makes me want to help them spread their message, whatever that message might be. And I think for me, the Gillette woman is someone who is modern and confident, but also rooted and traditional at the same time.
Well, the Gillette Venus woman is confident, you, yes, is unapologetically feminine, and that's you yet. Wow. I mean, I don't think there could be a better fit than this. Okay, what are your thoughts on a product like the Gillette Venus Breeze, a razor that gives you, it's a beauty product that gives you the confidence to wear what you want, when you want, wherever you want?
I think it's extremely important. I think it's important because I think for women, or for at least most women, or at least the women I know and the women in my life, beauty is important. That beauty can mean different things to different people, but I think to feel your best self, to feel confident about yourself, there's certain things that will make you feel confident, there's certain things that will make me feel confident. I think it's important. I think a lot of women fall back on certain products. For a lot of us, it is Gillette Venus that make us feel confident and make us feel our best selves. And I think for most women, beauty is important.
How is this the perfect product for a modern Indian woman, in your opinion?
I think considering our lifestyle, I think considering how much we travel, considering, we manage to multitask and do so many things in a day, sometimes it's difficult to sort of maybe do all of it at the same time. And so when you can do something like shaving at your convenience, in the comfort of your office or your home or in your bathroom,
whenever, wherever,
yeah,
without any
why not
preparatory agents
why
as well.
not
Yeah, say that now. Well, thank you very much, Deepika. I will be asking you a few more questions just a bit. Choose your seat wherever you'd like to sit.
Wherever.
Big round of applause for this very, very beautiful lady. The perfect fit for Gillette Venus. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Breeze is a 2-in-1 product. It has style and substance. Venus too has advocates of the brand that epitomize style and substance. Please put your hands together for the very lovely Soha Ali Khan and the super multi-talented Neha Dhupia. Okay, so ladies, Soha, I believe you've tried the product?
I have tried the product. I went to England a few years ago where it was available, so I had the opportunity to try it, and I'm so excited that it's now available for all of you in India because it is a beautiful product, and as Neha knows a lot about it with the features that are specific to, of course, Gillette Venus, it's wonderful. And I love the fact that it has these inbuilt moisture gel bars that make the experience of shaving really, really beautiful. So I have tried it, but all of you can try it now over here.
I know, it's easily available. So, Neha, have you tried it?
Well, hello, Mandira. We didn't get a chance to say hello, and a very good afternoon to everyone here. Yes, I haven't tried this one yet. I've heard amazing things about it. I have shaved with different products, by Venus and the range before this. Now, I know that this is great because it has this, it has this 2-in-1 kind of option with the moisturizing gel bar, which is fantastic because you don't have to, there's always this complaint where you're like, oh my God, no, it's too dry and it's too itchy, but this one's got like body butter, it's got glycerine, I can already feel it. And it's got this amazing smell, when you go close to it. It's just, I have an issue with like things that don't smell good, and that's why it's okay to sit next to Deepika. And so hot. Yeah.
It's nice,
which is
smell pretty
great.
good too.
So that's why they have so
way
much
away
in
from you.
common with the Gillette Venus Breeze because it smells fantastic too. Yeah, it's got great features. I'm ready to try it.
What do you expect in terms of experience since you've not tried it? And she's tried it and she's like keeping a bit mum about it. You guys can try it too. What are your thoughts in terms of expectations?
A far more smoother shave, a lot more moisturizing, because there's always that one complaint, and then there's always because I shave all the time and I'm totally okay with it because you're on the move, and we were listening to Deepika even backstage, and she had the same things to say, and the reason why we endorse products like this is because we're all working women, we don't have time, but once you're done shaving, you're like, it's something's not right. But with this, I'm hoping everything is 100% right, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be.
Imagine if the classic Gillette Venus was so good. How can this be better?
So I'll tell you, because I have used it, I can say, and I wanted first Neha to tell you about our expectations, and I can tell you that all your expectations will be fulfilled, because it is supremely conditioning. It is very moisturizing, so that feeling of dryness and flakiness that you sometimes get after shaving, you won't get. What's wonderful about it is that you don't need any accessory like the shaving foam, because it's already built into this, which is lovely again. It's not painful, it's not fussy, there's no other chemicals that are used. So of course, it saves a lot of time. As Deepika was saying, you can do it in the comfort of your home as well. You have complete control, which is someone like me who's a control freak. I want to be able to control it myself, and I have no pain threshold at all.
It
so
seems
there's no
to
pain.
do everything. Do you think we can have a bath with it now?
I don't think so, but there's something I want to say on stage, and I don't know if I'm going to get this opportunity again or not, but you were like, imagine if the earlier razors was so good, what this one would be like. I have to share this with everyone here, that the first ever shoot I did was for, Gillette Venus. They launched, I know this makes me sound really old, and I'm okay with that. Yes, they launched me, and it was in 1999, and I was on a poster holding a razor, I think it was Satin Care, it was one of their earlier ones, and standing next to me, I was standing next to Chitrangada, and both of us started our careers with this brand, and it's been so many years, and it's just great to be here still.
And razors come a long way, and so have you, babe.
And so are my legs.
Legs. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to invite on stage a celebrity dermatologist and aesthetic physician, Dr. Rashmi Shetty. My first question to you is, you have great legs, why aren't you wearing a dress?
Thought I'd look more professional.
Oh, okay then. All right, so lots of women must be coming up to you all the time saying, we're scared to shave. Not in the middle of this, G, please. Please. They must be coming up to you saying, we're scared to shave. There are a lot of misconceptions. Clearly, these three women aren't, but there are women who come up to you saying that, there's so many misconceptions connected with shaving. So, what do you tell them?
So firstly, they come and ask me, is it safe to shave? So I just want to give this answer in a comparative way. Just imagine the
Yeah, it's safe to shave as long as you don't nick yourself.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. That's the only
So it's safe. Firstly, the technology itself makes a big difference. Imagine putting on wax, where there is a chance of it being hot and spoiling your skin, where you're always subject to the hygiene conditions of where you're waxing, and then you need to wait a certain time to wax, and all that are the added disadvantages. But just the hot wax going on your skin could be a lot detrimental. And then the other thing is, imagine those chemicals that are available in terms of hair removal lotions. They're chemicals. If they're burning your hair, they're burning your skin as well, right? So those are much more harmful. So the most physical, inert, non-troubling or non-harming gadget is a razor. And then when you have razors such as these, which are newer and modern, you have the added benefits. Like you said, nick and cuts. This would never give you a nick and cut, because if you see the edges, they're more rounded, the blades are smooth, and they're mounted on a spring. The nick and cut happens when you're holding the razor and you're not too sure of how much pressure you need to apply, and then along the contours of your body, when you're turning it along, is where you end up giving nick and cuts if it's not flexible. In this, the neck and the head are flexible. It's mounted on a spring. So even if you were to put an extra pressure on the handle, that's not
Even if you're on a
transferred
contour.
on your knees,
Yes,
on the sides of your legs.
that's where you get the nicks if you do, yeah.
So it just bends so beautifully and flexes itself. that it's nice to shave so you don't get the nicks and cuts. And then there are springs, and then the one beautiful feature about this one is it has a bar, gel bar, which moisturizes.
Wow. I was telling the girls earlier, I think this you can have a bath with this. It's a multi-purpose thing. Right. What are the other myths connected with shaving, as far as shaving for women?
Maybe that hair grows a lot more thicker, which again is not true. That's because...
Say that again, once more. A lot of women think that the hair grows thicker, but it is?
No, it doesn't. It doesn't.
Yeah.
Like, for example, when you're waxing or when you're using any other methods for hair removal, you would yank it from the root. So when it is growing, it grows from the root and it kind of becomes tapered as it is coming out. So you think that it is thinner or finer. But when you razor or cut through a blade, you're cutting at the surface. So you're chopping it like the bar